All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ben, One Piece Products. Just wanted to follow up on our final installation of the One Piece kit for the 64 to 66 C10 One Piece power conversion upgrade. Just pretty badass little box right here. 65 C10 short bed. Basically upgraded it with the power setup. Simple regulator, ram style regulator. Not the scissor type. The scissor type would get in the way. The motor placement on the scissor type would be right here, so it definitely get in the way of the glass. This is a tight fit, but it actually works. Just wanted to give you a heads up at how it works. This is a one piece for the 64 to 66 C10 body. All the way down and all the way back up. Smooth operation. Any questions, just feel free to visit our website, www.onepieceproducts.com.